probably seen those ads claiming a tiny patch can melt away belly fat while you sleep, promising results so extreme it sounds too good to be true, and that's exactly why I had to take a closer look at Purelora Nano Microneedle Patch. Marketed as a revolutionary product using nanotechnology, 1/7 the thickness of human hair, Purelora claims FDA certification and clinical research showing an astonishing 58-kilogram weight loss. But when you dig deeper, the story gets complicated. First, the FDA certification claim doesn't hold up under scrutiny and appears to violate federal guidelines, raising immediate red flags. The nano-microneedle technology itself is often misrepresented. Actual microneedle research shows that skin's protective barrier cannot be bypassed in the way these patches suggest, meaning the advertised absorption of berberine is highly unlikely. Then there's the weight loss claim. There's zero legitimate clinical evidence supporting 58 kilograms lost from a patch, and the so-called research cited is vague at best. What's more, Purelora seems to follow a typical dropshipping template seen across hundreds of websites, complete with countdown timers and urgency tactics designed to push purchases quickly. It's a marketing operation that leverages real medical terminology to sell unproven results, rather than a scientifically validated weight loss solution. While the idea of a patch that works overnight is enticing, the reality is far less clear, and the hype does not match scientific reality. People looking for shortcuts should approach with caution, as the promises are exaggerated and the technology isn't capable of delivering the results claimed. Have you seen these belly fat patch ads flooding your feed? Drop a comment below and let me know what other products you want investigated next. I'll continue exploring what's real, what's hype, and what's somewhere in between so you don't get misled by flashy ads.